Hello everyone, and welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi. I'm watching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your shipping address on 1688. Now, you need to take note that this is a very important part of self-importation. You need to make sure that you know how perfectly you can add your shipping address so that you will not have problem in your procurement process. So now, how you can manually add your shipping address on 1688 profile. So let's get started with the practical class. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on my Google Chrome. I'm going to access 1688 website with my Google Chrome. So I'll click on here and I'll make a new tab. And after I make a new tab, I will use the address bar now. And I will type in 1688.com. And I'll click on enter. Now, while the site is fully loaded, the next step I'm going to take is to go to the top here, click on the three dots, then translate. So having translate, so the next thing I'm going to do is to log into my 1688 account. So you have to click on login here. Right, so we can still translate this page here so that we will know how to log in. So I will click on the top three dots here and I will choose on translate. All right, so here we can see 1688 account login. We'll click on that. Now from the top here, this is where you enter your Taobao username. So this is my Taobao username. Then you come in here and enter your Taobao password. Then after that, you click on login. Then access via Google Chrome, select Chrome, then click on choose once. Now I have fully logged in to 1688 website via my Google Chrome. So the next step I'm going to take is to click on this icon here, down below here. So I'm going to click on it's going to take me to my profile on 1688 website. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the top here where I have the three dots again. Then I'll choose on translate. Now at this point here, you see where you have a shipping address, this green bar here, click on it. Now you need to take note of one thing. If you are trying to add your address for the first time, it's not going to open up like this. But you are seeing it this way because I have already had my shipping address already. So let me translate. Come to the top here. Oh, wow, so no translation here. So now I'm going to show you how you can add your new shipping address. So I'll go to my WhatsApp now and copy my shipping company address. So okay, so I'm going to make use of this shipping address. I will click on copy and I'll paste it here. Paste, then have to delete our Chinese address, and I'll select done again, and I will choose select all, then copy. Then I'll go back to 1688 website now. I'll click on it. Now at this point here, I need to click on this orange bar here, which means to add a new address. Then I can come to the top here and okay, it's not translate. Okay, so at the point here, you click on here, then you click and hold down, choose paste. Now you click on paste, click on here for auto recognition. So it's going to automatically recognize the address, the zip code, the phone number, and the name of the shipping company. Now, having get to this page, the next thing you have to do is to click on here to leave a message for the supplier. Now, how do we do that? We have to go to the next paragraph. Then the message you are going to leave should be in Chinese character. So you turn on your Chinese character. So when you turn it on, then you type in English while the keyboard converts automatically to Chinese. So let's see. Then we can type. So what we're going to type is that, please. Sorry, you have to change to Chinese character. So you have to type in please. So it's going to change it to Chinese character. Let's see. So you can see. So it's going to be please don't forget to write my name and phone number on the package. Now, having write this sentence, you open a bracket, then you type in your name. So for example, now my name is Rafiu. Oh, sorry, we have to have the all right, so we have to open the bracket. So when you open the bracket, you have to type in your name now. So you continue to type, but before that, we have to have the Chinese character. How do we do that? We have to come here. Oh, sorry, that was a mistake. So let's retype the sentence. Please don't forget to write my name and phone number on the parcel. Then we open the bracket. Now, when you open the bracket, we need to switch from English we need to switch from English to English now. So we have to come here, change back to English. Oh, sorry. Let's turn back to Chinese character. Please don't forget to write my name and phone number on the parcel. Now we need to open bracket. Okay. Now, in this regard, I will suggest that go and copy our name. So go to WhatsApp. So you say your name. I'm going to use my name as example, Rafiu. Then / the plus sign and the Nigerian phone number. Then I will click done, select all, then copy. And we'll go back to 1688. Then we'll click and hold down. Then we paste. Then we close the bracket. Now we continue with our Chinese character type. We say otherwise. So we have to turn on the Chinese character panel again. Then we continue otherwise. The goods will be rejected and returned to the seller. That's all. So now, having left this message for the seller, so they will understand that they are to put in your phone number and your name or your Nigerian name and the phone number on the parcel. So when you are done with this, you have to come here, turn on this button here. This simply means that you want to set this address as a default address. So whenever you want to purchase on 1688, this address will automatically bumps up. So this is how you had your shipping address on 1688, and make sure you always leave the message and also include your phone number and your name on the parcel. Then after you have done all this and you have eventually purchased whatever you want to purchase on 1688, you still have to go back to the supplier and leave the message to them that please don't forget to write my name and phone number on the parcel, and make sure that everything you input here is correct. The name, the phone number of your shipping company in warehouse in China, their profile or zip code, the street address, and the name of the person that will receive the goods on your behalf in China. So this is how you had your shipping address. So when you turn on this thing, then you click on this orange button here to save the address. But in this case, I'm just showing you how you can input your shipping address on the 1688. So this is how you do it in a very secure and a perfect way. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about China importation. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.